Two oceans in between us, and we for sure